Hey guys, I'm going to show you this test stand that I made for RC airplanes. As you see here, we have the Phoenix model MXS 1/5. Okay, and onto this test stand. Look at that. Isn't she a beauty? Let's take off this plane. Okay, here she is. Let's look at the underside. Show you how I got this made. These are, I got them on Amazon. They're portable sawhorses. I think it's for portable sawhorses. Reason why it's portable is because this thing folds down like so. Both of them do. I'll show you in a minute how to disassemble this, and it slides easy into a vehicle. Excuse me. And then yeah, it's just one piece on top. There's lips here to keep the airplane's wheels on this, and also for the tail wheel there's a lip back here. And then I think this is 1/2-inch foam padding just for the wing to hit into and not get damaged. And let's throw the plane back on so you could see. No, not right now. Take it. Go. Pets and planes don't mix. That dog has broken one of my planes. Alright, and there she is. And I also have a Velcro strap that goes around here and up around the tail, just so this model is fine, but there's some models where the tail lifts up and I just use that strap to keep it down. I'll get it on the next cut scene. I'll show you how to break it down and how small it gets. Alright. Now I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble it, or not disassemble it, but make it compact. I carry one of these in my car. It has a square drive, and I use it to take down the little arms that are holding the wings in place. So let's do that right now. And I like to leave them in the wood just so I don't lose them. Pro tip. Flip her over. Boom. Boom. So let's get a close up on these hinges. So yeah, you see that? Good. Yeah, it just locks. And then to unlock it, you pull this little latch. Boom. Oh. And then I use the strap to tie down the back of the airplane. I use that to tie this whole thing together so it just stays in one piece. Or you can just carry it like this, like a blouse. And then yeah, you just set it up. Just do the reverse. Boom. and she's ready. All right, I'm going to show more videos with this test stand in this beautiful plane later.